Hello, my name is Catalina. I'm going to introduce you to my timeline. I will start by talking about some aspect of my past. Okay. Fears about my career. I managed to get into the university I wanted and study the career I chose. And finances. I worked weekends and even company to be more independent. And hobbies. From a very young time, I was a purist, and that taught me a lot about teamwork and love of sports. Health. I have always been in good health. Since I was a child, I was taught healthy habits. Relationship, I have always had a good relationship with my family. Let's move on the present. Okay, fears. I talk about some of my strengths and weaknesses. On many occasions, we set goals, but fear or other weaknesses are obstacles in our path. In my case, I always try to think about all the benefits that will bring me to my goal or how well I want to I want to be in the future. That motivates me to overcome all those weaknesses and risks. Because I have left so many fears or worried about insignificant things, I have made a lot of projects which makes me a proud of myself. However, I know that I still have certain weaknesses that I must improve with the order or planning of things. And because I am working on that because I know that if I can improve, everything will be better and will help me to get where I want to be in a few years. Okay, and in my career and work, so far I am proud of what I have achieved as I have managed to keep up with in my studies and from a job that fits my schedule. A relationship, I have been related to more people, I have new friends, co-workers, and maintain a good relationship with my family. Finally, talk about the future. Okay, about my career and my job. In a few years, I see myself uh, with the career finished and practicing my profession to be independent and have economic stability. Hobbies. One of my goals for the future is to travel the world and belong to a community that helps animals. And relationship, I hope to be better person every day, relate to more people, to learn something from each person, maintain a good relationship with the beings I love. Thank you.